This is a higher HFD635 Swiss double door freezer. Having an issue with the circuit, the GFI circuit blowing when you close the left hand door, and what I've figured it out to be is the strip that runs down here, and so I've removed that and taken it apart, and this is what I found. Two wires sheared off. So I'll repair those. It's a pretty easy fix, just solder and get them all back together. But this is a heater coil. I could just disconnect it, but I think it would be better to have it working because it's supposed to be working. So I'll get that back together and I'll bring you back. Okay, so I've repaired those and put some heat shrink on it, and that's done. And then I've actually wrapped it with like that fibre tape, you know, that you'd use for medical, because that's actually really good, really flexible. And I'll put some insulation tape over the top of that, and then I'll get this all back together and bring you back. Right, so firstly we need to get it through this slot. This is where the hinge goes. The hinge sits in here. Oops. So we need to get it through, coming out here, the two plugs. Try and do this on camera, handy. Kind of fiddly, but yeah, through the end would be the smart manoeuvre. Okay, and that's it there. Try and bring that up a bit more. There it is. Beauty. Okay, now to get this back in, it's actually pretty simple. You've got these tags here, and basically it all just slides in. So you set this in. Let's try and do this one-handed here. You need to be careful to get that in through there nicely. So and there it is, all installed. So to get it out, it's pretty easy. It's just 2 screws up here, 3 down there, and that's where the wire, you can see the wire comes in through there into the door. There's 2 plugs, pretty easy. Take these out, one up top, one bottom. You can access the the wiring and everything else. So that's an easy fix. Fridge is about 3 years old, and second problem I had with it, but other than that, not too bad. Okay, bye.